Good day, doctor. My name is Chenyi with my MATRIC number 2694426. Now I'm going to present my mobile application which named construction equipment. So first, this application allows the user to take a look on the services, the renting of construction equipment, and also the cement products that provide by the tenants. Then because of the services and renting of the construction equipment is relatively rare in the relevant market. So this application will be a good channel for user and those who needed to know about that. And also in this application, the user can make the payment, can booking the service date and time, and also can contact the tenants to discuss about the details of the requirement. Okay, so now let's run this application. So first, the user have to sign up an account by clicking the sign up new account now button. And the user have to input all the information here. For example, email, here, user have to input all the information here. If not, the system will prompt out the message to ask the user to enter again. So example, the password is ABC123. And then register. The system will ask the confirmation again and click OK. Okay, then register is success. And our database here will show us the information of the user. Here, the user email, the password, the OTP, and the registration date. And of course, after the email, after the user have signed up their account, they will receive an email that which is from the construction equipment to verify their account. Click here and user will get success. Then only the user can log into their account. And then user can click this remember me so that once they log in next time, they no need to enter their email and password again. Then log in. Then log in successfully, the user can log into the main screen here. And the main screen here have the choices to the page. They have the services, renting, products, and my account, contact us to contact the tenants, and also the logout button. Once we click the logout button, we will come here, and if the user unclick the checkbox, then the information will gone, and they have to enter again their email and password to log in. So once the user has forgot their password, they can click this forgot password button and enter their recovery email. Means that they will receive an email to reset their password. For example, submit it. Please check your email. Okay, here. Then, as you can see, this is the new password that automatically reset by the system. And the user have to click here to reactivate their account. And user will get a success here. So it means that now the password of the user has changed to this password. Okay, for example, But if the user has keyed in the old password, it couldn't be work. As you can see, this is the old password, and once they log in, will become login field. So they need to log in using the new password. Okay, this is the new password. And remember me, log in successfully. So this is my application. So that's all for me. Thank you.